Yes, I'll make dinner. Hey, today we're going to take chili Relleno casserole and we're going to cook it outside. Let's go outside.
Now we've sauteed our onions just to the translucent state. We've dumped in our chorizo. Oh, it's looking good. Now, Ty, why do you do it this way?
Because I'm trying to save a little bit of time. We're going ahead and in the chimney there, we're making our charcoal so that we can cook in our Dutch ovens. Might as well take advantage of the heat and the fire there and cook up our chorizo. All right, what we've got here is on our 12-inch Dutch oven. A real nice thing, easy cleanup. This is a 12-inch pan liner. So we can sit there and take this. It's nice when it's all done. You just lift it out, put it on the table. That way they can help themselves. We don't have to go to a whole lot of work. What we're doing right now is we're lining the bottom with our chilies. We're going to use about half the chilies on our bottom here. We're going to save a little bit for a little decoration on top. Now what we're going to do is we're going to add some of this chorizo and onions. And just kind of grill those up a little bit. We'll go ahead and dump those in there. Only about half of them go in at this time. And kind of spread that around. Get that on there. Oh boy, I could smell that now. You guys need to have smell-o-vision.
So how much chorizo do you start out with?
I'm doing about a half a pound of chorizo. And so a quarter in each one. And about one onion, one yellow onion. Then what we're going to do is we're going to add this liquid mixture. This liquid mixture we're going to add half of it on here and then we'll relayer it again. This has got 6 beaten eggs, 1 12-ounce can of condensed milk, 1 cup of shredded cheese.
What kind of cheese are you using?
I got Monterey Jack and Colby, and then we've got half a cup of flour, all mixed in here. So we're going to go ahead and pour this right over the top. Let that mix in with the chorizo and the chilies. Again, only half of it's going in here. We'll save the other half to go up on top. Everything is good with cheese, so we'll just sprinkle some cheese right on top. There is a cup of cheese in that liquid mix, but never can have too much cheese. Now we'll layer another thing of chilies in there, and this is 1 can of whole green hatch chilies. Already been cut and seeded. So we're just going to open them up, spread them open, lay them in there. And we'll repeat this process.
Dutch oven before
We're
it's
going to cook
done.
this for about 45 minutes. And we'll check it and make sure everything is good. Now what we're going to do is put a good layer of cheese on top of here. One, it's going to take and hold our chilies up on top.
So you really can't go wrong putting a lot of cheese on there then.
No, it's going to melt down in there and it's going to give it a lot of flavor. Just chewiness and that cheesiness in every bite. Okay, what that does is going to give us a nice coating. And we're going to get a little decorative here. Chili Relleno casserole Mexican dish. So we're going to make a little sunshine. We're going to lay this out. Right on top. There she is. Now we'll just cover that up and, like I said, we'll just let her cook.
Sounds good. Here's our chili Relleno casserole. Looking really, really good. Nice little sun on top of the chilies. I'm back. Let's eat. Hey, if you like this video, you want to see more like it, hit the subscribe button and the like button. We've got more cooking videos, fishing. We've got some hunting videos coming up. We'd like to take you guys along. Thanks for watching. See you next time.